of the things that I've discovered in this country and in many parts of the world, if you are a honest man, the likelihood of your falling victim to corruption is very high. Because people who are honest are also very naive. Thieves are normally very calculating, very organized, and they know how to do things which will undermine you before you know.
I want to tell you now that if there is any municipality that can say, we put money into the VBS because Malema said we must do that, I will resign all the positions of the EFF without any hesitation.
Mr. Malema, stop deflecting.
I'm not deflecting, unless you don't know the concept of deflecting.
Wait. This can't be your show.
Then say it in suit.
It can't be your show. We need to, let's engage.
It's my show. I'm the one who's answering questions.
We're here for an engagement. If it's your show, we're going to walk out.
Don't threaten because you don't have facts.
You. That's a fact.
You are threatening. You don't have issues. You are threatening. You ran out of issues.
Mr.
But now you ran out of issues. Now you want to go. The door is open. If you exhausted your issues, you can go.
Mr. Malema.
You don't know what deflection means. We're still on VBS.
Mr. Malema, these payments, is it not suspicious to you that this particular company in Tshwane that is bidding for this contract is making payments to DDM Entertainment of Marshall Dlamini, the SG, and also making payments without you clarifying what sort of business they are doing to this particular BTT fuel company or trading company that got this contract that has been nullified by the North Gauteng High Court? Why are they making payments to Mahuna and to DDM and later on to Slankatara of investments, which is also linked to you? Is it not suspicious to you?
No, it's not at all. But the boys are working. It's business to business relationship.
What kind of business are they doing?
I've explained to you. I said consultancy, hospitality, management, events, all types of events. So I wouldn't want to go and answer details of what the boys are doing with the company in question.
Are you not concerned that you have companies?
No, I'm concerned. I asked
people
them.
Close to you are implicated in so many things.
That's why I asked them. No, not in so many things.
Okay, in the few things that have been maybe not so many.
So you asked them?
I asked them and they explained. They explained everything that, specifically with the companies that are exposed. I may not know other things, but I will ask them what's happening here, what is the story here. They will be able to say to Chief, these people who are involved with them on this project, which has got nothing to do with Tshwane. So let's take Joburg, for instance, Matlatsi, on the fleet management company. The boys are engaged with that company on agricultural projects in Limpopo, which was way before the fleet. They don't control what that guy does, but they've had subcontract with him in Limpopo in the agriculture department. But because they paid each other, those monies there, now they want to expose this guy of fleet. They say, no, he paid a bribe to Julius. Even when contracts are shown and invoices, it's still not enough.
My next question to you would be, so
Aldrin, the discussion goes like this. No, you just talk. It's a conversation. Yeah. Welcome.
But you see, my problem is with what's currently happening is that we are not really the lead reporters
not
on
investigating
PBS. You see,
politics,
that is the issue number one. So Polly van Wyk isn't here, and Polly isn't here to give us whatever receipts and so
Kyle
forth.
wasn't allowed here.
So it's very difficult to have.
No, but you can't say that. You see, now you are being mischievous.
I'm not being mischievous.
No, you aren't being. No, you are being mischievous.
It's a fact.
Because,
Julius.
No.
Kyle was not allowed.
Kyle was not invited. 1, 2. When I entered here, I said to Vuyani, if there is a Sunday Times journalist outside,
Kyle doesn't work for
who's
Sunday
here?
Times.
I don't know who's that person. I said to
It's
them,
okay. It's
if there
okay.
is a journalist, you said Sunday Times when I said yeah, and I said to you, if there is already a journalist here, even if he's not invited, Vuyani, allow that person. I said that. Now, when you create an impression that we blocked people here, you are being mischievous.
This is a conversation from last night, Julius. It's not
I
from
don't want
today.
us to be sidetracked because
Yes.
where we are, but I think
Yeah.
Aldrin raises an important point. So we are political reporters by our very nature, and we are asking questions that we have based on investigations that our colleagues in
Absolutely.
the industry
Yeah.
have done. And I'm hoping this is just the beginning. You've opened yourself up to be asked questions. I don't think it's an interrogation. I think it's about
No, for
part
me,
of accountability.
Matlatsi,
and that's
I'm
what
the one
leaders do.
who asked for this.
Yes.
For me, it's an interrogation.
No, it's not. I see it as
No, for me,
accountability.
I wanted to be
Julius, also,
interrogated.
let me just finish, Samkela, let me just.
I don't want
So,
prosecutors who walk out. I want to
Alvin
be.
able to ask his
I want to
question.
be.
But the second part
Cry
of
foul.
it,
No, I don't want
but
that.
the second part of it, which is something I would have raised at the end, but I'm going to use
sure.
this opportunity, is that Julius, in the past you have banned the very reporters who have been very critical of you. I'm hoping after this conversation you will officially announce that all of those publications are no longer banned, and do actually apologize
We
for
can't.
some of
We
the
can't do
personal
it.
attacks that you have
We
put
can't-
to them,
we can't.
because they need to be able to do the investigation,
No.
and you need to be able to allow them this opportunity that they ask you questions. You cannot ban people simply on the basis that they are critical of you or you don't
No,
like
they are
the
not
way
critical.
they are
They are
reporting of you.
criminals. They are criminals masquerading as journalists.
No,
But the
are.
conversation always goes back to why
They
not
are.
take recourse
They are.
beyond banning.
you've got recourse.
I mean,
you can go to the
you-
press
we-
ombudsman, you
we-
can
we
go to the
told you,
PCCSA.
no, I don't trust those things. I told you, Matlatsi, about Ranjeni. I told you. What's happening today about Ranjeni?
But Julius,
I told you this person is not a journalist.
this is the very same journalist you opened up to when Mama Winnie passed away. The most emotional part
It
for you,
doesn't matter.
you recognize the
I
fact that
told-
she's a
but-
journalist
but
and
I
you opened
told
up
you.
to her. And then when you were not happy with her reports, you decided to brand her as a non-journalist. We see her, she was hired by the Sunday Times as a reporter. You cannot have a space to decide who
Okay.
is a journalist.
Now
and
that-
who
no, no,
isn't.
but okay.
That I think is
Then
quite,
you,
needs
okay,
to be quite
Matlatsi, you must
clear.
continue to be a journalist even when you receive money from Secret Service.
No,
I must-
and
I
that
must-
is
I must-
under investigation, and she's being investigated
So if
for
you
it.
treat-
But
if-
you cannot.
but
You
if-
at the
if-
time
if
that
you
you
treat her
banned her
like
as a
that-
reporter, this allegation was not there at the time.
If you treat her like that there are investigations, therefore everyone else, when there are allegations, treat them the same. Why do you want to conclude that we are guilty and she's not guilty?
No, but
when
Julius,
she's
you-
found wanting with
you
Secret
shift
Service
the
money?
goalposts. You shift the goalposts. At one point you recognize her as a journalist.
No.
At the next point you don't.
But
and that is
once
what
I
you
come
do.
across it like you are a journalist today. Wait until I find
Today.
wait until I find your brown envelope. Then I will know you are masquerading as a journalist. You are not necessarily a journalist.
But Julius, as a
So I
member
cannot
of
continue
parliament,
to say you are a journalist even when I've got evidence of
As a
you
member of parliament-
engaged in brown envelopes.
as a member of parliament, as somebody who takes oath to protect the constitution of this country, you cannot go around banning journalists because you don't like the news reports
I
that they
don't-
write,
I- no.
especially about you.
I don't-
That is not correct.
I don't
Julius.
ban journalists,
And I
you
think
know that.
For me,
I'm with journalists now. I don't ban
but
journalists.
you can't, the same, what I'm arguing is that if you look at the list of journalists that you have
I
been
don't ban
critical
journalists,
of,
Matlatsi.
are journalists
I
that
ban-
have written
I
critically
ban
about
criminals
you.
who use journalism
who are
to
criminals?
further political
I will
agendas.
defend
That's
my
a political
colleagues
act.
because at no point have they been proven to be criminals.
But I will
To have
also,
done a
I will
criminal
also,
offense
I will
is
also
what you would be called a
defend
criminal.
journalism, which is destroyed by brown envelopes.
Where-
I've got a responsibility as a member of parliament to protect the profession of journalism.
And you can sit and have that conversation with them and do this that you have done today. Where in front of the cameras, you
I told
question them
you-
on the work that
I
they're
told
doing
you
and they will
amongst
welcome
your
it.
people, they receive brown envelopes. You said I ill-treat them. I just gave you evidence now.
No.
The second evidence is that Polly is not interested in finding anyone guilty. That's the point I was going to make at the end as well.
Julius, you might
But
not want to
the
use
campaign-
the
Eh?
Hold on, sorry guys. You might not want to use the platforms Matlatsi mentioned for recourse, but surely was it the EFF that wanted to
No,
sue
this
Prince
one,
Mashele?
I told her that she must organize the meeting after the elections to meet and engage on what she's talking about. We said to them, after we're
You
too
organize
busy
Matlatsi?
elections, after elections, let's talk. And then now she's hijacking the platforms to address her presidential issues.
Mr. Malema, before I hand over to my
Sure.
colleague Aldrin, just a simple and a direct question to you.
Yeah,
Are you currently being investigated by the Hawks for anything related
Nothing.
either to VBS or anything
nothing.
else?
I'm not being investigated by the Hawks on anything. on anything. I'm not being investigated by SARS on anything.
Was
My
Floyd
crit-
asked to deposit a statement at any point?
I don't know Floyd, but he would have told me. If the Hawks make contact with him, he would have told me. So Floyd has not been asked by anyone to make any statement. So Samkel, when I make a political point, right, it's not informed by my personal experiences. Because when I criticize the president, they say, no, he's being investigated by the Hawks. Not a single Hawks person ever gave me a call for anything. Nothing.
Sorry, Julius, just hold on. As your two-pronged question.
Yeah.
Floyd Shivambu being your second in command.
Aldrin has just arrived, he must get chances.
You'll get chances,
but,
Kawara. You'll get in there. So the briefing happens, you're upset because your name keeps coming up, even though you're not one of the arrested and the likes. You don't say to Floyd, hey, why are they bringing me up? Why don't you check with them?
No, I talked to Floyd.
Let me finish. I'm not done. I've got another question. It almost speaks to the issue of donations. You know, in 2018, when you had the media briefing here about VBS, and you asked whether or not EFF received donations, you said no. And my question is, have you gone back to the genesis of each donation given to the EFF to check? Because you see, the ANC, then months after the fact, was like, actually, we've tracked and traced and we realized that we did get VBS money. Has the EFF actually gone backwards to check?
And that's part of the reason I think CBS was also invited, because you had promised to open up your books.
No, Matlazi and CD, there is no donation from VBS.
You've checked.
Yeah, and your champion, Polly, would have actually exposed that donation by now, because she works with a guy in Vexman who are busy investigating, who are working with the liquidators, by the way. That's where she gets the information. If there was any donation to the EFF, Polly would have exposed it. Now, the story is, CD, Brian has been in constant interaction with the liquidators. They've called him several times to clarify certain things. Amongst those things was the bond which they got for their mother. A bond that many other people, including some, by the way, in the Hawks, got the same bond from VBS. So, and they clarified those issues. They've started paying off the bond. From time to time, Floyd's brother gets called by liquidators who are liquidating Vele as one of the people who are dealing with Vele, and he's cooperating. That's what Floyd tells me. They are working very well to resolve whatever the differences they might have. In that case, not a single brother of mine has ever been called by a liquidator or by the Hawks or by anyone.
Okay, guys, can I go ahead?
Enter.
Yeah, awuxolisa ukufika late.
No problem, Baba.
So with all of these allegations, one has to admit, though, that the VBS scandal has had a dent on the image of the EFF, whether it is credible information or not. Do you agree to that?
That was the intention.
That
has always been the intention.
Sure.
So let me take you back. When they said Malema collapsed Limpopo, the intention was to dent his image. 50 million tender to collapse a province of 47 billion. The intention is always, which is Praveen's operation, discredit your opponents and leave them out there. So the aim is not to arrive at any conviction. The aim is not to take you through trial. No, they just smear you and leave you out there. Because before you came, I said, in Limpopo's collapse, allegations and charging of On Point and us, I said separate me and trial me alone. Because since you charged me, I've never asked for postponement. Because I see charging as another method to hold people accountable, to give you an opportunity to give your side of the story. I've never, from all of you sitting here, received credit about that. Or Malema asked to be separated and trialed speedily.
Okay.
So Praveen again comes with this. The Communist Party got money in the VBS. The Hawks people got money in the VBS bonds. The Communist Party ANC in Limpopo, ANC National got money in the VBS. But today, they don't carry that dark cloud of VBS. It is carried by us because the intention is to discredit us.
Okay.